called Troy and Chad. They went to the same state school. Graduated in 2010 with the same engineering degree. Got jobs at competing firms in the same city, making within $5,000 of each other. Both are now 37 years old. Both married. Both have kids. From the outside, their lives look identical, except Troy drives a 2024 Ford F-150 Lariat with a $1,000 monthly payment. Chad drives a 2020 Toyota Camry he bought used 3 years ago, paid off last spring. Troy has $14,000 in his 401k. Chad has $340,000. Same income, same start, different car. That's it. My name is Nick, and today we're exposing what I call the new car penalty. Not just the price difference between new and used, the full system, the financing math, the depreciation cliff, the dealership tactics, and the quiet decision most people make at 25 that determines whether they retire at 60 or 72. By the end of this, you'll see exactly how Troy got there and how to not be Troy. Let me back up for a second, because to understand where we are, you have to understand where we came from. In 1995, the average new car in America cost about $20,000. By 2010, it was around $29,000. In September of 2025, it crossed $50,000 for the first time in history. $50,000 for an average car, not a luxury car, not a fully loaded truck. The average. By December of 2025, it had climbed to $50,326. The average new full-size pickup sold for $66,386. That's not a car, that's a mortgage with cup holders. Now compare that to the used market. The average used car listing in 2025 sat around $25,700. A 3-year-old used vehicle averaged $30,699, so we're talking about a roughly $20,000 gap between new and lightly used. 20 grand. That's not a rounding error. That's a down payment on a starter home. That's a really nice emergency fund. That's 2 years of community college for your kid. And here's the part that should make you suspicious. Loan terms have stretched at exactly the same pace as prices. Remember when a car loan was 3 years, maybe 4 if you really stretched it? Those days are as dead as the flip phone. Today, the average new car loan is 69 months. 1 in 5 new car buyers is now signing 84-month loans. 7 years. For a car? That didn't even exist as a loan product before 2008. The industry invented